What if your machines had a sixth sense for predicting failures? Welcome to the future of maintenance. Welcome back to Electrosphere AI Tech. Today, we'll explore how AI, combined with non-destructive testing methods, is transforming predictive maintenance, reducing downtime, and enhancing safety in electromechanical systems. Predictive maintenance uses AI and data analytics to identify potential failures before they happen. It's a proactive approach that relies on real-time data and pattern recognition. When AI meets Control non-destructive, or CND, it's a game changer. CND techniques like ultrasonic testing, thermography, and vibration analysis detect faults without damaging the equipment. AI then processes this data to predict issues and schedule timely maintenance. For instance, ultrasonic sensors can detect internal cracks, while thermal imaging spots overheating components. Combined with AI, these tools reduce downtime by up to 40% and improve maintenance accuracy. The integration of CND and AI in predictive maintenance brings greater accuracy, safer inspections, and cost-effective operations for engineers. AI and CND together make maintenance smarter, safer, and more efficient. In our next video, we'll explore how AI optimizes smart grids.